This model gets 99.8% of its predictions right, and it's absolutely worthless. It's all down to one thing: leakage. One of its columns carries the answer inside it, so the model isn't predicting anything. It's reading the answer off the row and handing it back. And this isn't new. It's been named since 2011, and when Kapoor and Narayanan went looking, they found it across 17 fields and nearly 300 papers. And the code here is right. The split, the folds, nothing touched the test set. The problem is, the model is using information it would never have at the moment you ask it to predict. So you'd say, fine, just drop the column. But that's where it gets hard, because knowing which one to drop means knowing what each column actually is, and that is the one thing automated machine learning can't do. So I built Crucible. You give it your table, the column you're predicting, and one sentence saying when the prediction happens in real life. That last part is the one thing it can't work out itself. Then two checks run over every column. One reads what the names mean, the other measures correlation. Now, while that runs, you're thinking, why not just use the correlation? So, the Titanic. There's a column called boat, the lifeboat number, and it only has a value if you survived, a total giveaway. And its correlation? Minus 0.01, basically nothing. Meanwhile, sex correlates at minus 0.53 and is completely fair. Any threshold that catches the cheat deletes the honest column first. And I tested that. 12 datasets, marked against the documentation each one shipped with. Correlation, handed its best possible cutoff, gets 2/3 right. Reading what the columns mean gets 9 in 10.
Here it flagged 7 columns, and correlation walked straight past 5 of them. Each comes with its reason and its evidence. Then it stops. You confirm or reject. It never deletes anything itself. Then it builds the model twice, with those columns and without, on identical folds, so the two numbers are actually comparable.
Now, what tools already exist? Leakage detector reads your code and catches real mistakes, training on your test data, transforming before you split, reusing a test set. But every one of those is a bug in the code, and none of them apply here. These 4 columns are flags the vetting team set to record why they rejected a candidate, written at the same time as the answer itself. The code was fine. The data wasn't.
And there's the result. With those columns in, the model got 11 rows wrong out of 5,000. Take them out, and it gets 1,009 wrong. And you can see exactly where that goes, where the mistakes land, the curves for every class, the score on each fold, and a second model family agreeing. All of it downloadable, so the drop is something you check rather than take my word for. None of this needs a browser either. The same audit runs straight from the terminal. A column is a leak when you couldn't have known its value yet. That's the whole idea. And now, it's one command.